Whoa, hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I am here at Busch Gardens Tampa once again. It's like my favorite park, but anyway, the park invited me out for one reason. Final ride, the final roar, Kumba. So if you guys are ready, let's go have some fun. Check this out. We have some smoke coming from this thing and it says Kumba's Revenge, the legend lives on. This is exciting. It's coming. One last roar, guys, for Kumba. Can't believe I'm saying that. You guys, do me a favor. Leave a comment below. What do you think is coming?
For those of you who do not know me, my name is John Vigio and I'm the park president of Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Debuting in 1993, Kumba set a new standard for thrill rides as Florida's tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster, featuring the world's tallest vertical loop. We know Kumba holds a special place in the hearts of the Tampa Bay and roller coaster communities. And while we celebrate Kumba's 33rd year, legacy, and retirement, Busch Gardens is also looking forward to an incredible and robust future. The park is focused currently in the midst of a 5-year, $200 million investment plan. And guests can look forward to exciting new attractions, enhanced guest experiences, and significant improvements that will continue to elevate Busch Gardens Tampa Bay as Florida's thrill leader. The legend of Kumba will continue with Kumba's Revenge. Stay tuned for a brand new adventure. I hope you enjoy your historic final ride on Kumba. And in case you missed it on your way in, check out our newest delivery and stay tuned for park updates. Thanks, guys. Enjoy your day.
Well, here we go, guys. My last ride. Here we go, guys. One of my last rides. Kumba, Gardens Tampa. Woo! Hey. Miss this thing so much. And Busch Gardens is serving up a Kumba drink to celebrate the final rides on Kumba. So cheers to Kumba. Park just opened and here's a crowd of people coming in. Wow. Lots of happy faces for their last ride. Look at the crowd. This crowd is never ending, but it's for a good cause because Kumba's closing, so this is why you see so many people coming in to ride Kumba. Within just minutes, check out the line. That's crazy. I think that speaks volumes. That means it's a fan favorite. Everyone is here for their last ride. Isn't that awesome to see that many people line up? Within minutes, the line got that long. That's awesome. I think that's so cool. we just finished up here at Busch Gardens Tampa. Big thank you to the park for inviting us out this morning for an hour of exclusive ride time. I literally got on like 9 or 10 times. No wait, I just kept rewriting. So it was awesome. Definitely come out. August 2nd is your last day to experience Kumba. Highly recommend it. It's such a classic. It's been here for 33 years and for a good reason. Literally, you can hear that thing roar halfway throughout the park. It's an amazing ride. And then I'm sad to see it go, but I'm excited to see what Kumba Revenge is all about. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. But anyways, with that said, thank you so much for watching. Bye, so forever. Let's see you later, guys.